What's up, guys? Welcome back to Skookum Living in my dirty little shop here in Wyoming. Today we got a fun project for you. We're going to be building a couple of stools to be used in our kitchen, underneath our kitchen counter. We got some big ones with some backs and they swivel and they just take up too much room. So we want a couple of smaller ones that we can slide under the counter to be out of the way. I got a couple of big slabs that I milled up with my chainsaw mill about 1.5 years ago. So they should work out pretty nicely. I want a bit of a live edge back to them. In the back of the flat stools, in the front I'm gonna square up and clean up. But yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna start cutting stuff and see how it turns out. Right, so we'll go with 10¼ inches so I can trim it down a little bit. It is super windy here in Laramie, so the only way I've found to keep the dust out of my eyes is to use my mountain bike goggles. But it seems to work pretty good. Now I'm just cutting off the ends of this because it had those little snipe marks or whatever they're called from the planer. So I'm measuring down to 16 inches. So I got this new carving disc at Harbor Freight, so we're going to test it out. We're going to try and put a bit of a swoop in the seat just to kind of cradle your butt cheeks. One of the sides to have about a 1-inch lip on them without being given. So put 2 little rails on the edge, and then we'll cut down the center and kind of feather our way up the sides. Alright, now that we got it all angle grinded smooth-ish, then we're going to come back in with the fat bed sandpaper and just even out all those lines. So I'm going to come back with much finer sandpaper, but you can see it's got that nice butt arch to it. So we got our 2 seats done. That'll give you a better idea of the cutout that we made. Pretty cool. So now we gotta start cutting out the legs. There you go. There you go. Oh my gosh, it's another. There you go.
at the engine. Use your right hand. Let's put you back in. Over there, you see? Let's put the tape on there.
Alright, so I'm going to be using some half lap joints for this. I got the cross members going to be going across here, and at the top you can see I already have my layout done on here, so now I just got to cut the 4 legs for each chair and the 8 supports for either side of each chair. Alright, so I got this measured out to 1/2 inch. It'll give a good little reveal in between each board. So I got a little dado stack in here. My sled is here to 4 degrees, which is what I need. So we're just going to start cutting these little half laps out. The idea behind this is if I put these in the same spot as the overlap, the half laps, that half lap should cover over the screw, and you won't even know it was there. Going with a Minwax Golden Oak to test it out. Like the way it looks. Oh yeah, those just fit perfect. Oh yeah, look at all that space. Look at all that space. Easy. Oh, that's perfect height. Oh yeah. That just cushions the butt nicely, doesn't it? Ooh, pretty stable. I can give it a little rock. Perfect. Yeah, I'd eat breakfast at this. Well, thanks so much for following along today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing, maybe give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao.